Hello, everybody. Today we're going live from the Women Inspiring Network, and we are very, very excited about our guest, Rashmi Adgetkar. And she has such a huge following, and she's an Indian model and actress. So, those of you who don't know, she was also in the movie Devdi, and she's acted in a lot of web series. And of course, when she comes in, we're going to ask her about all the brands and other details which she's been doing. So we're very, very excited to have Rashmi with us joining shortly. Uh, I'm just going to see if Anushka from my team is there, and we can probably ask her to join us as soon as possible. And those of you who don't know about the Women Inspiring Network, we took shape during lockdown last year, and we've had a 20 million reach, and we're going to be doing something very exciting with the American Center soon, end of July, which is on youth and empowerment. We have something else coming up on our Winning Minds series. These are going to be live conversations on FB, and I'm just going to see where is I can see some of the people which we have, but let me see where is Rashmi. I'm just going to send her a request. It's not showing. Kuresha, Anushka, are you able to see where Rashmi is? Sent her a request to join us. Yes, Rashmi's also just joined us. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. So I was just telling all our viewers that we are so excited to have you with us. And as you know, Women
Thank you.
Inspiring Network is an inspirational storytelling platform. And we create, share, and inspire the women in our country. And it's a movement to pay it forward. So with our collaborations, and we've had really interesting personalities on our Instagram and other platforms like Facebook and all. We've had a 20 million reach so far with our partnerships with Inox, Business World, and some of the others. So I'm not going to take a lot of
That's
time
great.
speaking
Yeah.
about Women Inspiring Network, but all our viewers want to know about you, Rashmi. Before you joined us, of course, I introduced and I talked about you, your film career, your modeling career. So in your own words, tell us a bit about your journey.
Oh, my journey has been one of learning, has been one of improving. And I have learned so many things because I never went to any drama school or any film school, but a lot of my learning comes from my dance education. I have danced my entire life, ever since I don't even remember. Like my mom tells me that, ever since you started walking, you just started dancing. So I've always danced, I've always performed. I am extremely grateful to all my gurus and my teachers, right from my school to, the one who I went on to learn from later on. I learned Kathak from my guru. Um, these people have really taught me, how a performance should be, how an artist should be, how an artist should live life as well. It's not just about on stage techniques, but also how to live like an artist. So although, like I said, that I haven't been to any film school or any drama school, these things helped me a lot. But yes, when I started auditioning, when I started getting work, that was like a whole another shock for me because it was just like a new field. So yeah, I mean, right from my auditions to the work that I've got, the workshops that I did, because like for the work that I got, that has been like so informative, and it is still informative, and I think it will never stop, and that is how it should be.
Yeah,
So yeah,
I can see a lot of your fans saying that they love you, sending you smiling, Aryan, Divyesh,
thank you,
Purvesh, Raval. I
thank
mean,
you.
yeah, I've never seen such a great, so many people joining us. So tell us, when did you realize that you wanted to pursue a career in acting, you know?
Yeah. I think I always wanted to do that. It's just that I was not very boldly vocal about it. But I used to learn dance. I used to be that girl who is famous कि हर dance program में होना ही है ऐसे. Like I've like literally had heartbreaks over the fact that I was maybe not able to perform in a school function or any of those dance functions because whatever, like I was ill, I was supposed to go out or something like that. या मुझे मुझे लिया नहीं किसी टीचर ने. Like that used to be very personal for me. Um, uh, and then when like I said, through like while I was learning Kathak has a very significant part of acting in it as well. Like Kathak literally
Yeah.
means storytelling. It
Yes.
it all started with telling stories via dance and music in temples. So that is what is acting. You are telling a story, you are being characters, and you are expressing, you are emoting. So I was always there, but like somewhere I really wanted to do this. I saw Madhubala in Mughal Azam, and I was like, wow, this is just so phenomenal. I want to do something like this. And I think from there, it just sort of got planted into my system कि ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. But because we live in a society that we give a lot of importance to academics, everyone is expected to be either a doctor or an engineer or maybe a CA or something like that, because it is considered to be like a secured profession. So when I made this decision that I wanted to go to arts and pursue acting, that was like a shock for everyone कि ये कहाँ से आ गया अचानक से. But like my parents, they knew that although I'm saying that no, I want to do engineering and I was prepping in that direction, I will ultimately do this only. So I wanted to like come back to acting and dance or whatever, like art after achieving all those academic degrees or maybe like becoming an engineer and all. But then I realized that if I'm going to put so much of money and effort and my energy and everything in engineering, how about I put all of that in acting?
Yeah.
And go about in that direction. So I think it was after completing school, I just sort of shift. Like it was just a duration of a week that I was like, कि अब science नहीं लेना है, अब arts लेना है. And my dad was like, "What are you saying? Are you serious? No, no, no. You take science, you do it for 2 years. Then if you don't like it, you come to arts." But I was like, "No, I have made my mind. I cannot leave dance, and I really want to do this. So let me like give my best, and may if I sink or I swim, I don't know. Like this is what it is. This is what I want to do, and I just
But
went
yeah,
into
that's
it.
amazing.
Yeah,
I mean, I,
yeah.
I started my communication journey when I was 23 in Bombay. So I
Mm.
know
Mm.
what you're totally saying. So there's no time. You
Yeah,
just have to feel about
yeah.
something passionately.
Mm. Mm.
And
Mm.
that's why,
Mm.
the Women Inspiring
Yeah,
Network, which took shape last year, was exactly to get such stories out, which inspires everybody, that
right.
you can do that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
uh, so in acting, like, do you think for our viewers, does one need to do some sort of workshops or acting
Mm.
classes, or
Mm. Mm. Mm.
what's your take on that?
Training is important. Training is very important. In my case, I had some background related to acting, related to stage, related to performance. So it was relatively easier. When I used to go for auditions, of course, the technical parts of an audition are completely different as to what you would do on stage. But uh, I learned because I had that kind of background. But if you are entirely new and if you want to take up acting, always look for good teachers and look good training courses or join like a theater company at least, and train yourself because that is very important. Auditions तो खैर है ही. Auditions also help you, like auditions have like personally helped me become a better actor and a more aware actor. But if you have the chance, I would say that do take off time for training yourself in the field because it is very important. Uh, until very lately, I have always been feeling that void that I have never been to an acting school what, like, whatever I'm doing right now, is it right or wrong, or is it enough, or am I good enough? And I have been having a lot of doubts personally. So if anyone asks me that how to go about it, I would say that you first train yourself. First, आपका जो foundation है वो अच्छे से कर लो, and then when you get opportunities, that's like a whole another learning process. But do start from your training. Like, search for good training. There are several good teachers in our country. Do that, or join theater companies. I don't know what the situation is right now for theater companies, but yes, if you get a chance, you do that. That really, really helps. So yeah.
To take one of the viewer question, Abirant has said, journey in Bollywood is full of ups and downs unless one is a star kid. So what's your take in
Hmm.
that?
Hmm. It is very true. Um, so it is true and it is unfair, of course, but I am choosing not to crib about the fact that those who have influences get their way out, because I am here for a long run, जो एक लंबी रेस का घोड़ा जिसे हम कहते हैं. I don't want to do this for maybe the next 5 years and then go on and do something else. I very much want to keep on making films, and if possible, if everything goes in a good way, I would love to produce also, and present films and all of that. So it is true. When I started, I was hoping that somehow this would go down, and of course, because of the recent dialogue that was happening about nepotism and all of that, things would change. Which I feel it will take a lot of time, because it's not just the producers who are giving them chances, but also the people who want to see them. There is a certain amount of PR which goes in, which everyone can't do. Someone like me can't do like a shitload of I'm sorry, but then like a lot of PR. But someone who has those resources will do it, and then the audiences are also forced to watch it. So it just works on your psychology. I like, in my opinion, it is very much like your internet algorithm, that you're fed that so much that you don't have any other option. So even that is happening, and then we have this audience who would instantly go and watch like a movie of a star kid or someone, and if someone like me is launched, they might not make so many sales, or get so many views. The scarier part is that first this would happen in films, and then there was this hope कि OTT में शायद ऐसे नहीं होगा, because OTT is more democratic. But sometimes, not all the time, but there are many such projects wherein your followers are considered. Unless and until like you're so good in your audition that there is no other option than you. But when there are options, they like sort of just budge towards those who have like a larger following, maybe like a million following or so. So sorry, I took like so long to answer this,
No,
but
that's perfectly fine.
um,
And
but what
you
I'm
know,
saying is that these things will keep on happening, and it is not just about Bollywood. One of the viewers asked that full of ups and downs. Every single career right now, and especially right now, is full of ups and downs. Life is full of ups and downs. So the best way of going about it is that you don't lose hope. I know that I'm saying this, that don't lose hope, but I keep losing it every now and then. But what is important is that you bounce back. You don't give up entirely. That you keep working on your craft. Someday कुछ तो मतलब होगा ना जिसको मतलब समझ में आएगा that okay, इसमें है potential है, and something like
that's
that
so.
will happen. Yeah. So we just
So
have to
I did get a
लगे रहो.
question.
हाँ.
Yeah, I did get a question from one of the viewers that how did you get your first break?
Yeah, I used to audition a lot, so much. So I don't even know. Like, I mean, I auditioned for that also. Dave Didi was like my first longer role, as compared to cameo roles or like episodic roles and all of that. Um, so I auditioned for the part. The makers were in a hurry to lock the cast, but they were not finding anyone. So I gave the audition, and within a week, like I had to go on and shoot for Dev Didi. So yeah, I went and I auditioned for it.
That is so amazing. And which has been your favorite web series and why?
My favorite web series. Yeah, there
or
are
any
so
anything,
many.
anything, films or web series or anything you want to talk about, like which you enjoyed the maximum.
Maximum. Oh, which was the recent one that I watched? I think I was watching. Actually, it's been a long also. Hey, I enjoyed Family Man. If you would talk about Indian web series, I really enjoyed it. I feel they lived up to the quality and the content that they were making in the first season. They very much lived up to it, and everyone's acting like, I too love Manoj Bajpayee, of course, but even Samantha was amazing in that show, and everyone else was so good. And it was nice to see these long takes and action sequences and all, which Raj and DK are apparently known for, to see in a on like an Indian screen. And yeah, it was amazing. I think Family Man was the one which just like left a lasting impression in my mind.
And tell us about your learnings or obstacles or any failures which you faced. Like, how did you come out of it? Like, what kept you
Hmm.
inspired or to
Hmm.
carry on, or, to be
Hmm. Hmm.
constantly motivated that I need to keep
Hmm.
doing this?
Hmm. 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 Learnings, there are so many. There are just so many. Something as simple as be on time, learn your lines, always be on your toes, always be there. Sometimes we drift off from, where we are. I think that has been my biggest learning, that wherever you are, whatever you do in life, be it in front of the camera or outside, behind the cameras or in your real, like personal life, though only thing is that you need to live your life to the fullest. Like at least I can speak for myself that I am an overthinker and I keep drifting away in like places and daydreaming. Like my work has somehow forced me to bring myself to the moment and like be there, and then things have to like uh, do well for you. So I think that has been my biggest learning. Oh, failures, there are so many. Like, I can just go on and on and on about it. Yeah. So many auditions I wanted to, I did, and I wanted those parts, but because of some or the other reasons, sometimes, like they said that, it was uh, because of the reasons that maybe I don't have like a PR name upon me. I didn't get it. Or sometimes I look very young for the part. I didn't get it. Or maybe just as simple as maybe I was not as up to the mark, which I'm okay with. Whenever I face rejections because मेरा audition उतना अच्छा नहीं था. So I am okay with it because I'm just like, okay, fine. Then this is where I need to improve myself, and then it just feels like a fair deal. But when people come back to me saying that Rashmi सब ठीक था, but like how it is, it's like a bigger name. Yes, that other actress is new, but she has that kind of PR. She is XYZ's daughter. So, there is going to be a lot of buzz around that name. तो उन्होंने वो किया, या फिर एक्चुअली 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स कम से कम चाहिए थे रश्मि, तो वो हो गया. या हाउ आई सेड कि that everything was fine, it's just that you look quite younger for the part. I think those are like just the most shattering parts, because it's almost that I was just this close of getting it. But the way I have now started accepting is that maybe that was not meant for me. Maybe if I did it, it wouldn't have worked for the film or the web show or me. तो किसी का फायदा नहीं होता, तो इट्स बेटर कि जिसको मिला है वो हो गया. That and other thing that helps me, which was recently happening with me because of the second wave, is that there was no work, there were no auditions, and it was really bothering me as to what am I going to do. It is now, because now it is not about अच्छा ये मेरा कब होगा या कब नहीं होगा, या अब मेरा कुछ होगा भी या नहीं. It was really like that. But luckily, touch wood, like some really good auditions and screen tests, and people who were interested in casting me for those particular parts came in, and that just like bounced me back. So I think that continuity keeps on going. The minute there is no work, or things are not happening, I tend to fall back. But I think pata nahi, because I'm just like, because I love this so much and I'm so passionate about it. वो सामने से आ ही जाता है. I mean, it's pretty much like what you are seeking is seeking you kind of a situation. This is what happens to me. So it helps me to bounce back. Then I have my family, my friends who are just like go and like crib about, and they are just like, it will happen, Rashmi. You have to like, keep on going, and you cannot lose hope. You've come this far. Of course, I mean, if you have come this far, कुछ ना कुछ तो बनना होगा. So I think, yeah, I'm just lucky that
That
I have
is,
these amazing
yeah.
people with
I
me.
I
Yeah.
can totally, yeah. You have to
Hmm.
have the right people for the right
Yeah.
energies around you.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
fact,
Yeah.
Pranjal has asked us a question. If you had an option, what role and what movie would you cast yourself in? I mean, I know for a fact that you have done a
Hmm.
lot of powerful, memorable female characters also.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
I mean, your take
Yeah.
on that.
So many are. I mean, I feel that I have not done any. The ones that I want to do are still not, happening. But if I have to choose anything, which one should I choose? Again, yeah, there are so many. It is very difficult to choose from these. Um, I love Radhika Apte. I love Taapsee Pannu. I love what she's doing right now. So, any of their roles actually.
Yeah, and someone's actually
So,
asking while you're saying, whose biography would you like to do?
yeah, it's quite a question, man. So many amazing women around us. Mm,
And tell me
I'm,
something,
I'm, I'm
Rashmi.
really, yeah.
Yeah, but so last year has, of course, taken a toll because of the pandemic. So, how
Mm,
did you keep yourself positive and inspired? And what is
mm.
the next thing you're looking forward to? Like, what are your next series coming? So,
Mm.
what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, the pandemic has been really stressful. Uh, I think more because of the news that was happening around us. The first lockdown, of course, I was just like, "Pata nahi kya hoga," this, that, and just trying to cope up. The cycle had just went haywire. कुछ भी खाना, कैसे भी सोना. But like the second lockdown, I decided that yes, it is very sad what is happening around us, but at the same time, I have to like keep myself sane, which is why I just started learning new things. I learned a bit of ballet. I started reading. I watched like more movies. I started working out, paying attention to my health. I did some acting courses from home, and just like whatever I could do to build myself. Um, is what I did because it also keeps you distracted from what is happening for a while, and it just helps. It adds on to you, right? So yeah.
Yeah. So I can totally relate with that. I mean, that's exactly the reason why the Women Inspiring Network was, we started last year during lockdown in April, and in a short span, we've had like 20 million reach with various collaborations. So I know that you have to
Hmm.
keep doing something or the other positive.
Yes, yes,
And
very
there's
true.
some question on any information on Immatures season two. People are asking some questions. If you would like to answer that.
I I don't know, sadly. I wish I had an answer to that, but I don't have an answer to that. So you'll have to
And
wait for the makers to make an announcement if we are shooting it, if it is happening, what is happening. I have no idea.
And there's an interesting question. If you're casted to do the role of Mithali Raj, how would you feel?
It would be it would be an honor, but I think Tapsi Pannu is already doing it, and I'm sure that she's going to nail it. So yeah, of course, why not?
And what advice do you have for someone who's not enjoying their current field? How to find an area of interest and go for your dream field? Pranay has asked that.
Be courageous. Be
Okay.
courageous, and I know that um, it's really a privilege to make that shift. Like I said, that I 10th के एग्जाम रिजल्ट आने तक आई वाज लाइक हाँ साइंस लेना है ये कॉलेज में जाना है एंड देन विद इन अ वीक आई मीन समवन वाज जस्ट स्पीकिंग अच्छा तो नाउ रश्मि डांस यू लीव क्या डांस क्लासेस यू लीव कैन आई वाज लाइक ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं because there are like so many classes you have to go to this class that class ये जो भी है नीट का एग्जाम ये वो you have to give when will I go to dance so because dance is my first love and I was so scared to even give that up so I was like अगर ये नहीं हो पाएगा तो acting तो क्या ही मतलब दूर की बात है and within a week I just made I think that was my first step of being courageous is what I remember that I took that step so if you have the privilege to do that do it. I know कि सबके साथ ऐसे नहीं होता. Sometimes, you know, parents नहीं मानते. Sometimes the conditions are such, financial conditions are such, or whatever, you know, your health is such that, you know, you cannot. So, if you just want to like make a proper shift, just be courageous and go for it. And if you are stuck in a situation, at least try to some degree to, you know, achieve that passion of yours and not like entirely leave it. Like, you know, there is always a way, is what I feel. So yeah, find your own
Yeah, and
way.
one question is, Didi, how do you maintain your face glow?
I sleep well, I eat well, I work out, and I try to be happy as much as I can. मुश्किल है, but I try to do that.
Yeah. And there's another interesting question from Divesh Kumar. What was the reaction of your school friends when they got to know that you've become an actress? And how do they see you now when they probably meet you or something?
Oh, like some of them were surprised, but most of them knew. Like I said, that because I used to be in every single dance ka program in my school, they like I'm sure कि किसी को उतना surprise नहीं होगा. But yes, जितने भी message like whoever messages me, my best friend and all of that, uh, they are proud of the fact that, you know, whatever, like wherever I've come, it's like notable. And I think it is vice versa, that, you know, it is because of the kind of support that they have always given me, is, you know, I've just like wanted to, you know, kept like I just kept going. So yeah, I hope अच्छा ही लग रहा होगा. मतलब जितने मेरे कांटेक्ट में है, they to like, you know, keep telling me that, you know, we saw this work of yours, that work of yours, and all of that.
And Parth has sent us a very nice question. Who is your role model, acting career or in general, and why?
Oh, my role model. Again, yeah, there are so many people, like, if you know, for different things.
At
If I
different
have to
parts of
just
your
like pick,
journey.
yes, like I said, I really like Radhika Apte's work. I love how Tapsi Pannu is building her career right now, with, you know, doing all strong movies, and then I think she's producing herself as well. Um, then there are just so many that, you know, right now everything is not coming to my head. But of course, there is my mom, because, you know, the way she just, you know, tackled her life and, you know, supported us against all odds. She's there. And then a couple of my friends who are doing so good in their careers. I feel that, you know, sometimes people who have achieved a lot in their lives and, you know, now they are there, are very much inspiring. But also the people around us, you know, who are just, you know, getting over these small obstacles in life. I think that also inspires me a lot. You know, the way they keep going on to it. It could be anyone. It could be your maid, your house help, like your driver, or, you know, people around you. I think उनकी कहानियां जो है ना, वो थोड़ा मुझे ज्यादा इंस्पायर करती है, because I just feel like, अरे अगर ये कर सकते तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती. If they are hopeful in life, why can't I be hopeful in life? So I think these little things help me.
And Divya has asked, what was your experience while shooting for Rashberry? And I saw another question, which was, if you were not an actress, what profession you would have chosen?
About Rathbari, it was a very different experience for me. I had never been to UP. So basically, we were shooting this Haryana actually. We were shooting in Faridabad, and it was very, very, very hot. Like for a Mumbai girl, it was just like borderline heat and, you know, like dryness and all of that. So it was like, you know, like physically it was difficult because the body was not getting like my body was not accepting the weather, but otherwise it was really amazing. um, it was a completely different world for me. Like, I have never been to UP, although, you know, I've seen it in our movies, I've read about it, I've heard about it, I have some friends who were from UP, but I have never been there physically. So just like absorbing everything, enjoying the food, the people, uh, I think it was just like a different experience for me. And Raspberry in general was a bit challenging because of the accent that I had. I'm a Maharashtrian girl, and like doing like a Merathi accent was like a struggle. But I luckily, like, my the crew was amazing. My director and my co-actor just helped me through it. So yes, all in all, again, like an enriching experience. And your
That's so.
second question was, um, what would I be if not
Be
an
if
actor?
you were not an actor.
Maybe a director or a dancer or someone like related to film. Like मैं यही कहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ करती for sure.
And I know that we're going to run short of time, so I'm just going to ask one question. What are some of the projects in the regional? Are you looking at some regional film industry roles in Marathi and all that, which are
Of
upcoming,
course,
or South or something? Because I
of
saw these questions
course.
also there.
Yeah, I mean, I am open to doing it, depending on the fact that if I am able to adapt the language well or not. I am very much open to doing it. Of course, I am a bit particular about what roles I would pick up. I like to run away from misogyny and patriarchy and all these things or things that glorify such subjects. But apart from that, why not? Why not? I would love to do it.
Yeah, and uh, we'll take one last question from the audience. But till the time one of the questions from the audience come, please, we'll take one last question. But I thought that I wanted a winning message in Marathi, inspiring our viewers, or any regional language you'd like to speak in. Any regional language: Hindi, Marathi, English, anything which can inspire
Uh,
our viewers.
sure, why not? I don't know if I speak in Marathi, will everyone understand it? But अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि फिलहाल जो वक्त है वो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, ठीक है? थर्ड वेव कब आएगा, कैसे आएगा, हमें नहीं पता, तो थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए अपना, अपने फैमिली का। मास्क पहनिए प्लीज, ऐसे ही मत भीड़ भाड़ में, मतलब ऐसे ही मत चले जाइए। काफी सारे वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, तो लोगों ने टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस पूरा भर दिया है, तो प्लीज वो ना करें। आई होप ये जो समय है वो निकल जाएगा, एंड होपफुली विल बी बैक ऑन आवर फीट सून।
And I can see you have a lot of viewers and your fans asking. You can take any Riaz asking if you had to chance to go in the show Big Boss, would you go or not? Someone is saying, please leave a message in Marathi. Who's been the most supportive person in your life? Any question you want to take?
I'll answer all. Big Boss, no. I
Okay.
cannot. I can watch the drama, but I cannot be in the drama, okay? So that is one. And मराठीमध्ये मी काय बोलू? सध्या स्वतःची काळजी घ्या, मास्क लावा, हात आपले सॅनिटाईज करा, आपली हेल्थची काळजी घ्या, आणि सगळ्यांसाठीच खूप डिफिकल्ट झालंय. सो आय होप जस्ट बी होपफुल, हँग इन देअर. हे मी मराठीत नाही बोलत आहे, बट या.
I understand Marathi. I studied in Pune, by the way, and I was in Bombay before I moved to
Oh,
Delhi.
yes.
So I know you talked
Then
about
I'm
the
pretty sure
mask and the
that your
sanitation.
Marathi is going to be much better than mine. No, no, then I'm sure your Marathi is going to be much better than mine.
Yeah, and I remember that kachi dhabeli we used to eat when we were
Oh,
in Pune.
oh,
And when you
oh.
mentioned yesterday that you're in Pune, I was like, yeah, I was remembering my college days. So
Yeah,
it was
yeah, yeah.
lovely talking to you, Rashmi. You have a great following on social media, and you have so many fans. I can already see, like, suddenly I could see like so many people. Okay, there's one really nice question. What's your message for youngsters who want to be in acting field? That's a good question. So I thought I'll take it up.
Yes, and maybe my answer would be long. Okay, so right now the social media age, and just like in generally the atmosphere has become one of trends, one of something that will just click. मतलब एक एक झटके में एक रील में 1 मिलियन व्यू या एक वीडियो पे 1 मिलियन व्यू वाला समय अब मतलब हो चुका है सैडली. और प्लीज डोंट ट्रीट एक्टिंग एज द सेम. ऑल्सो really ask yourself that do you want to really do this because, or if you are here for the fame or for the money or what it is, really ask yourself so that you will be clear in your head, and then you can work according to that. And if you want to become like a proper actor, like I said, learn the craft, practice your craft. And it's like, it's not always necessary that you have to learn it in a drama school or a film school. That could happen under like a good director or like on a good project also. But till then, until the time you get that project, look for ways to train yourself. Apart from that, if you can learn any other art form, just for me it was dance. Some actors are good singers, some are good painters, or I don't know, just some other performing arts. If you could just take that up, that would be great, because it helps. It somehow helps. I don't know how, like how to explain how it helps, but it definitely helps. So please take that up. And yeah, keep at it, लगे रहो, मतलब मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ. And never ever underestimate any audition that you have. You may get it, you may not get it. You may feel कि अरे यार ये मतलब इतना कुछ खास नहीं है या उतना कुछ, but never underestimate that. Like, treat your auditions like a performance in themselves, and hopefully it will help.
Yeah. So on that note, thank you so much, Rashmi, for joining us. And for all our viewers, if you think someone has an inspirational story to share, they can, DM us at the Women Inspiring Network. They can also join our network on our website. And we have a very exciting series, Rashmi, coming up with the American Center, which is called Youth and Empowerment. So, I look forward to having you on some panel discussion where we could have people from politics, actors, media, influencers. We keep doing that on Facebook, but it was really lovely talking to you. And I know when you talked about dance and
Thank
acting, and how you amalgamated the two. So it was really, really a pleasure talking to you. And thank you so much for
thank
sparing
you.
your time and inspiring us. And
No
look
issues.
forward to having
Okay.
you once again on our platform anytime in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye. And
Bye.
all
Take
your
care.
fans are saying ki upload this live. Yes, we will upload it. And I think you have thousands and thousands of fans who watched it. So thank you everybody for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.